Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your study abroad reflection with the Reflective Practice Journal, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the purpose of a reflective practice journal in the context of studying abroad. Recognize that this journal serves as a tool for personal growth and academic development. Start by selecting a suitable format for your journal. You can choose between a physical notebook or a digital platform depending on your preference. Make sure the format you select allows for easy and consistent entries. Set aside dedicated time for reflection after significant experiences. Consider doing this weekly, or after any major events or shifts in your study abroad journey. Begin each entry by summarizing the key events or experiences of the week. Be specific about what occurred and how it made you feel. Use descriptive language to capture your emotions and thoughts during these experiences. After summarizing, analyze the events critically. Ask yourself questions about your reactions, what you learned, and how you can apply this knowledge moving forward. Incorporate feedback from peers, advisors, or mentors into your reflections. This external perspective can offer valuable insights that you might overlook. Connect your reflections to your academic goals or future career aspirations. Identify any skills or knowledge you gained that might be relevant to your field. Use your entries to track personal growth and development over time. Look for patterns or recurring challenges that you might want to address. Encourage yourself to be honest and open in your journaling. Authenticity will enrich your reflections and enhance your understanding of your experiences. Review your entries regularly to evaluate your progress. This will help you recognize growth in areas that may need more attention. Consider sharing selected insights with mentors or peers for further discussion. This can deepen your understanding and provide additional support. Finally, remember that the Reflective Practice Journal is a personal tool. Focus on what works best for you and tailor your journaling process to fit your unique experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.